I'm going to attempt to wash my hair in this tiny sink. And here's hoping I do not clog it with my hair. I also don't have shampoo. And I'm using a baby blanket or a towel. I don't know where actually I get all of these things, but I make it work. I don't know if I should go from the side or if I should just flip it. Okay. I did it. Feels a lot better. And now we will wrap it in our baby blankets. Please don't judge me. My baby blanket turned out to be a pillowcase. It worked. Clean up all your little nasties. Okay, I'm just gonna let it air dry now. So I don't have to stand in the bathroom forever and ever and ever. But I feel good, I feel good. Maybe tomorrow I will straighten it.